in today's digital world. Cybersecurity is more important than ever with cyber threats constantly evolving. Safeguarding your data is essential from phishing scams to malware and ransomware attacks. Hackers are always finding new ways to exploit vulnerabilities. But there's hope by staying informed and implementing robust cybersecurity measures. You can protect yourself, and your business tools like firewalls are essential for protecting networks from security threats. Antivirus software and encryption can help fortify your digital defenses. Professionals monitor, detect, and neutralize threats on the front lines of digital security. The war against cyber threats is waged in every encrypted transmission and every line of code. Cybersecurity knows no borders. Collaboration and information sharing across borders are vital to staying ahead of competitors together. Let's build our digital defenses and ensure a safer, more reliable tomorrow for all. So take charge of your cybersecurity today and keep your digital world safe. For more details, contact us.